Hey, what's up, racers? Welcome to another awesome wheels unboxing. Today, as you guys saw in the title of this video, we're going to be opening up the KAIDO House Mini GT Datsun 510 wagon 4x4. Now, we normally put our cars to the ultimate test. I don't know if this one will fit on the track. It is definitely not for racing. This one's gonna be a car show, parking lot type of diecast for the track. Now, this one was sent out to us by Shoutout. So I wanna give a huge shout out to Shoutout. Shoutout has also sent us the 510 wagon, as you guys see here, and also the 510 car. So both of these are mini GTs, KAIDO House mini GTs. This one though is the new 4x4. So we're gonna be unboxing it and see what it looks like. Very nice. And ooh, the surfboards come separate so you can clip them on, I'm guessing. So here it is. Here's the first look of this Datsun 510 wagon 4x4. It does look similar, obviously, to the regular wagon, but this one is the off-road version 4x4. I'm loving the off-road tires on this already, looking super nice. It has the roll cage inside, just like the older one. The thing about these cars is just the details are amazing on them. Let's go ahead and check out the surfboards and see if they clip on or if you just put them on top. I'm guessing you just, let me see if they have, oh yeah, they do. So you guys see those little dots right there? That clips onto this right here. So let's go ahead and that one's in. I don't know if you're supposed to glue these in or not. Since we're not gonna do any racing with this one, we could just leave it on there and then we can, you know, take them off or put them back on however we want to. Let me know what you guys think of the new KAIDO House Mini GT Datsun Wagon 510 4x4 off-road. I think it's super sick, like always, Mini GT and KAIDO House with amazing quality on everything on the cars. So overall on the cars, the details on the insides are even better. It sucks I can't get inside to show you guys or open one of the doors to show you guys, but the details are just amazing. Again, huge shout out to Shoutout for sending this over to us. And yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to like it, subscribe. We have some really great things coming for the channel, so make sure you guys are part of that. All right, till next time, make sure you guys stay safe, stay racing, stay awesome.